I always like to rub vanilla on my light bulbs for an amazing reason that I'm about to explain. If you're like me, you love when your home smells fresh and inviting, especially when guests come over. I want people to walk in and immediately feel comfortable and relaxed. For a long time, I used to buy expensive air fresheners, scented sprays, and plug ins, but most of them were full of chemicals. Not only were they costly, but they also caused me allergies and breathing discomfort, so I knew I needed a better solution. That's when I discovered this simple and natural trick. All I do is take a small amount of liquid vanilla, although you can use any natural scent you like, such as lavender or citrus. I pour a few drops onto a microfiber cloth or a paper towel and gently rub it onto the surface of my light bulbs. I usually do this in the dining area, the living room, and the bathroom, since those are the places where smells matter the most. When I turn on the lights, the heat from the bulb slowly releases the aroma into the air, spreading a soft, pleasant fragrance throughout the room. The scent feels natural, not overpowering, and it lasts much longer than sprays. The best part is how quick and easy this is. It only takes a few minutes, and I usually repeat it once a week to keep my home smelling fresh. This simple habit has completely replaced chemical air fresheners in my house. I hope this helps. Save this trick for the next time you want to freshen up your home naturally.